In today's comparison, we're diving into IPVanish versus Windscribe, best for multi-device households versus best transparency policy. I'll be breaking down these VPNs to help you figure out which one fits your needs. By the end of this video, you'll know which service reigns supreme and where you should look if neither of these is quite what you're after. First, let's talk about multi-device households, which is where IPVanish really shines. IPVanish offers unlimited simultaneous connections, meaning every device in your home can be connected to the VPN at the same time. This is huge if you have a family or a household with multiple people needing secure internet access. Whether it's your phone, tablet, laptop, or even your smart TV, IPVanish allows you to protect them all with one subscription. Next, let's look at Windscribe in terms of its transparency policy. Windscribe is known for its approach to transparency and privacy. The company openly publishes audits, including a public review of its no-logs policy, so you know exactly what they're doing with your data. Plus, it's based in Canada, which isn't exactly the most privacy-friendly jurisdiction. But Windscribe still manages to keep things pretty clear-cut in terms of how they handle your data, giving them an edge when it comes to trust. The third thing to consider here is the overall performance. IPVanish has decent speeds, but it can sometimes be inconsistent depending on the server location you're connected to. It does have a good reputation for reliability, but in terms of performance on both short and long connections, it doesn't always hold up against some of the competition. Windscribe, on the other hand, gives you access to high-speed servers and even a unique feature called time travel that lets you spoof your location to a different time zone. This can be handy, especially if you're looking to access content from another region without sacrificing speed. Windscribe also offers a free plan, which is a major bonus if you're just testing things out, but you're limited to only 10 gigabytes per month. Now, when it comes to streaming, both IPVanish and Windscribe perform decently. IPVanish allows access to major streaming platforms, but it's not always the best option for Netflix or other geo-restricted content. Windscribe, however, offers a solid experience for bypassing Netflix's VPN blocks and has good support for streaming in general, especially with its unique locations available for users in different regions. Another critical factor is pricing. IPVanish's plans tend to be on the pricier side, especially when you're considering long-term plans. But the unlimited device support can make it a decent value for large households. Windscribe is more affordable, especially with its free plan, and their paid plans are very budget-friendly for what you get. The next thing I want to touch on is security. Both services offer strong encryption, but IPVanish has had some controversy in the past with logs being handed over in a legal case. That doesn't mean IPVanish is necessarily unsafe, but it's something to consider when evaluating security for your household. Windscribe, on the other hand, is solid with its no-logs policy and has a better reputation for maintaining privacy. Windscribe also offers extra features like split tunneling and a firewall, which can give you more control over your security settings. So, while both IPVanish and Windscribe are solid options, there are clear pros and cons to each. IPVanish is the best for large households with a ton of devices, offering unlimited connections. Windscribe, however, stands out for its transparency and its ability to give you clear, audited privacy policies, all while offering a better, more secure experience in terms of data handling. That said, if you're looking for something that might take things to the next level for either a multi-device household or a clear, transparent privacy policy, then there's an option I'd recommend. After trying all of these services myself, I can tell you that if you want the best balance of both security and usability with even more advanced features, you should check out the link in the description for a free trial of our recommended VPN service. By using our link, you'll get the best trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to viewers like you. Go ahead and give it a try. It's risk-free, and it could be exactly what you're looking for.